Hey guys, today we're just making a short video on how to remedy the handle locks on our 2024 Ford F350 Super Duty. Yeah, we've been having trouble with the locks. Normally you can come up to your door, touch the door, and it'll unlock the truck. And also when you get out of the truck, you can push the button and it'll lock the truck. Sometimes I think technology is a pain in the you-know-what, but we're going to see if we can fix this problem. I looked online and it appears you might have to unhook the negative terminals on the batteries under the hood. We're going to give that a try today. First, I'll show you what it does right now. We'll lock the door by hand. Wait for it to go through its sequence here. Then if I grab the handle, it does nothing. Normally, if you grab the handle, it unlocks the door. So I've not had that problem in the past, but I did see where several people have had that issue. I guess you disconnect the batteries, wait 10 to 15 minutes, and it's supposed to reset everything, and it's supposed to work. So let's get into that. Stay tuned. There's two batteries under the hood, one on the driver's side and one over here on the passenger side. You take the 10mm nut driver. We'll just loosen this negative terminal. Doesn't take a whole lot, I don't think. Let's see. Okay, that's one. Let's go over to the passenger side. See what we got over there. It's right here. Okay. Okay, we got that loose. Okay, we got both terminals loose. We'll wait for 10 to 15 minutes and we'll put them back together and see if the automatic lock and unlock works on the handle. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's reconnect the batteries and see if our door locks start working. Okay, now for the ultimate test. Let's see if the thing will lock. And it works. Now let's see if it'll unlock. And it works. So I guess if you run into this problem on your Ford vehicle with the touch-sensitive locks and unlocks on the door handle, you can undo the negative terminal on your battery or batteries, depending on what vehicle you have, and it will reset everything and it will allow the locks to start working again. I hope this little tip helps, and if it did, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, have fun camping. We'll talk to you later. Bye.